It's so awkward to shoot like this. So smelly. Oh my god! That's so gross. Wow! Really amazing. Howdy guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to test the hair removal cream. And they have a different products, also different brand, but this is the one that have a good review. I'm so bad at unboxing. So it has this one. Hair removal cream. So this is what's inside. Smell is really bad. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna try it anyway. I just try one on my legs. Here. I need to timer for 5 minutes first. Ayan. See you? Oh, it's so right. So guys, it's been 5 minutes actually. I will try to leave it more for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I'm just gonna do the thing. But the smell, guys, is really smelly, guys. It's kind of like hair product when you do hair coloring or something, but more smelly. It's really strong. I already washed my hand, but it's still very strong. So see you again. Hey guys, so it's been 3 minutes past, so I'm gonna try to scrub this off using this one. And I'm just gonna put down the camera. It's so awkward to shoot like this. Okay, I'm gonna try. I have tissue. But I think I need to leave more, few minutes. Oh, it's better to use tissue, guys. It's better to use tissue. I'm just gonna scrub it. Oh my god! Guys, I don't know if you can see. Wow! Wait. Oh my god. It's better to use the tissue. Wow! Wait. See guys, the hair. Oh my god. Wow, I'm so amazed with the product. See guys, the hair. Oh my god. Guys, it's so amazing. Highly recommended. Guys, I'm so amazed with the product despite of the smell, very smelly. But the important is it works, so it's better to use the tissue than the scrub thing. That's so gross. It's kind of gross to see, but I'm just so amazed that it really worked. I never thought that it's gonna work. So this one. I don't know if you can see. Can you see the hair in here? You see the hair, right? Wow! And I just leave it for 8 minutes in total. Maybe I'm just gonna have some few clips of my other leg so that you can really see that I use the same product on my other leg. So I'm just so excited. Just gonna wash this off and then I'm gonna do on my other leg. Okay. Guys, it's so effective, I swear. The smell is not that great, but the important is this is effective. And I think in one of this is 50 ml. I think can use twice or 3 times. It depends on how much you put. I think I put too much, but guys, it's super effective. Oh my god. Super duper. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna wash my legs first and then see. So guys, I love this product, but I think some of the area that I didn't put thicker, so they kind of like still have a little bit, but overall guys, really amazing. I'm gonna wash my legs and I'm going to show you the final result. So yeah, see ya. It's always like that. So guys, so I already washed my legs and it's very smooth right now guys. Super duper smooth. I'm just gonna, so it's super duper smooth guys. Oh my god, I'm just so amazed. Let me see. There is no hair. No hair. It's very smooth guys. Oh my god, I'm just so amazed. I don't know if you can see the difference. This is the first time in my whole life that I don't have hair on my legs. It's really amazing. I'm just gonna do like this guys to my outro so you can see my smooth legs. So guys, that's it for today. So I'm just gonna put the product on the description below, how much the product is, and I bought it on Lazada. It's from China, so they ship it in here a bit longer. I think the store where I bought the product, they ship and anywhere in Asia. So yeah, so I'm just so amazed with the product, and it's so effective. So effective, as you can see. I don't know if you can see my legs before on the camera when it still have a hair, and yeah, it's very smooth. It's actually very smooth now. Very smooth. The product guys is not sponsored, and I bought it myself. I paid it myself, and yeah, I'm just so amazed with the product, and it's cheap, and I like doing product reviews so that other people, I like helping other people, especially right now that most of us buying online and you don't know if the product is good or bad or something like that. So yeah, that's what I do, and I'm glad to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video and you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I guess see you on my next video. Bye!